My name is Mtsombisi Shinga. I'm the national spokesperson of the Labour Laws Enforcement. This is Police Elihlonga with me, who is our national secretary. So today we had a very successful march. So actually what happened is that we started our march on Monday, not really a march, but some sort of an exhibition program where we visited different companies. So these are the companies that were reported to our offices and our communication lines. They reported these companies for hiring illegal foreigners, and some of these companies are not in compliance with the basic conditions of the Employment Act and also other labor laws. So we visited them, we spoke to some of them, and some of these companies that are already hiring illegal foreigners have indeed agreed to that and said, what we are going to do is we are going to remove these foreigners and replace them with South Africans. So what we have done is, this is where we've ended our march. They have given us their CVs. We are going to be doing a CV selection tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it's going to be on Saturday. Then on Monday, some of the faces that you'll see here on this march are going to be walking into the workplaces to make ends meet like everyone else. Now we've visited different companies as well, whereby we found that the police, some individual police, are blocking us into entering those companies. For an example, this company here, they've blocked us, but they've allowed us to enter into some other companies. There are wild allegations that have been taking place in these areas, whereby they say that some of these police are taking money from certain companies so that they can be protected in some way. Even if they hire foreigners, they will not have any form of a problem. So when that transpired, there's a police officer that we have identified. His name is Captain Sito, who is in the Signal police station. So he is becoming a very big problem for us. And what we are going to do, we are going to be lodging a complaint to provincial commissioner, which is General Konazi, in relation to what these police are saying. But the police, some of the police have been very good to us. They've also admitted that tomorrow we are going to be going to different companies that have been reported that they have got foreigners so that they can be able to enter and remove all of those foreigners. So, siyabonga bafowethu, imashi yethu kuyimpumelelo enkulu. Besingalindele abantu abaningi kangaka, besilindele nje mhlawumbe abantu abawu-100 or so. Isizathu salokho ngoba le ndawo yase-Overport yaziwa njengendawo yamasulumane, abantu bayasaba. Ngoba nje kuma-social media post ethu, amasulumane namanje yahlala kade comment esanisoze nayenza loo nto leyo. Nizobona kahle ngize no-go area and what. But today we've demonstrated ayikho indawo ehlala ama-South Africans esike singeke singene. So bakwenzile lokho thrown threats, we've got screenshots, abanye bebhala ama-message bethi we're going to deal with you and all of those things. Kanti isinto esifunayo asifuni violence. What we want is uqasha abantu basebenze and the life goes on. So ikanjalo nje bafowethu as I've said, siyabonga kakhulu. If there are any questions, we can take 1 or 2 questions and then sizobe sesiyadisperse. Our plan for tomorrow, siyabona ngoba sibuya siza la, we have identified certain companies esibisiyo bona siyopiketha kusemthethweni, awukho ukuphatha amaphoyiseni, just go and picket.
So ngizizwa nisefika kangakanani mangabe kunethola ama-allegations akanjalo ukuthi kunabantu abanisabisa abathi ngene la kodwa namhlanje ngibonakala khona?
No, we were very safe. We were very safe. Lento abafuna ukuyenza siney'nsizwa nathi siyizwa lensizwa. Ngoba kubona nje emgwaqweni siney'nsizwa ezinye uzibona ezinye futhi ozokwazi ukuzibona
Because they are armed.
Actually utho. Actually khona umveli inqadi. Khona umveli inqadi. Ubona. So we don't have a problem at all. We don't think anyone would do anything to us. Not that we're saying we're untouchable, but there's no one who's going to do anything to us because we are not intimidating anyone. We are not threatening anyone's life or threatening any business. All we are doing is to say, my men, you are hiring wrong people. Please hire South Africans. So who would want to do something bad for that? That's the only thing that we're doing. But at the end of the day, the struggle that we're in, at the end of the day, there are people who are going to try and do something to us. So the message is clear. They must do what they feel that they must do. It's better to die at that way while we're fighting for the rights of the people rather than to die by being in para or being a criminal on the street.
Mhlawumbe ke brother ngicela ukuthi usiphe ngamazi mhlawumbe kulezi inkampani lezi esasitini sasebenzisa abantu bokuya mhlawumbe ungathini imessage ongabanika yona just ukuthi
our message is very clear to them. They are going to find us at their doors every day until the hairs are if they've got let's say it's factories they show and then they send their orders, they must just stop even taking orders that they're going to send anyway because we're going to be at their door every day. Thank you.